Listen up, you lot. Are you tired of the same old boring breakfast routine every single day? Do you find yourself skipping the most important meal of the day because you're short on time? Well, you're in the right bloody place. Today, we're taking breakfast from bland to brilliant with 5 quick, easy, and healthy breakfast ideas that even a donkey could manage. You see, breakfast is the fuel that kickstarts your day. A nutritious breakfast sets you up for success, providing the energy and focus you need to conquer your day. No more excuses for skipping the most important meal, you hear me? We're talking about recipes that are as simple as they are delicious, packed with nutrients to keep you feeling full and energized all morning long. So, grab your aprons, and let's get cooking right away. Right, you lot, let's talk about overnight oats. This isn't some soggy mess you left in the back of the fridge, this is a breakfast game changer. Imagine waking up to a ready-made, nutritious meal that takes no time at all to prepare in the morning. It's simple, it's quick, and it's packed with healthy goodness to fuel your morning. Plus, it's incredibly versatile, allowing you to mix and match ingredients to suit your taste and dietary needs. Here's what you need. Half a cup of rolled oats, none of that instant rubbish, because rolled oats provide a better texture and more nutrients. A cup of your choice of milk. I prefer almond or oat milk for a bit of nutty flavor, but cow's milk will do if you must. The choice is yours, and each type of milk brings its own unique taste and nutritional benefits. A dollop of yogurt. Greek yogurt is my go-to for that extra protein punch. It also adds a creamy texture that makes the oats even more delicious. A drizzle of honey or maple syrup for sweetness depending on your preference. Both options add a natural sweetness without the need for refined sugars, and a sprinkle of chia seeds for a bit of texture and added fiber. Chia seeds are also a great source of omega-3 fatty acids, which are beneficial for heart health. Now here's the easy part. Chuck it all in a jar or container, give it a good stir, and leave it in the fridge overnight. That's it. The oats will absorb the liquid and flavors, creating a creamy, delicious breakfast by morning. In the morning, you'll have a creamy, delicious breakfast pot ready to go. No cooking, no fuss, just grab and enjoy. But we're not stopping there. Oh no, you can customize this bad boy to your heart's content. The beauty of overnight oats is that you can change it up every day to keep things interesting. Feeling fruity? Throw in some fresh berries, chopped banana, or a handful of raspberries. These fruits not only add flavor but also provide essential vitamins and antioxidants. Need an energy boost? Add a spoonful of nut butter, peanut butter, almond butter, cashew butter, whatever tickles your fancy. Nut butters add healthy fats and protein, keeping you fuller for longer. Want a bit of crunch? Sprinkle on some chopped nuts, granola, or even a crumbled biscuit if you're feeling naughty. These add a satisfying texture contrast to the creamy oats. The possibilities are endless, you see? You can even add spices like cinnamon or nutmeg for an extra flavor kick. Overnight oats are a blank canvas for your breakfast creativity. You can experiment with different combinations to find your perfect mix. They're perfect for meal prepping, saving you precious time on those hectic mornings. Just prepare a few jars in advance and you're set for the week. Make a big batch on Sunday and you've got breakfast sorted for the entire week. It's a time saver and ensures you always have a healthy option ready. No more excuses for grabbing a sugary pastry on the way out the door. With overnight oats, you have a nutritious and delicious breakfast waiting for you. You deserve a proper breakfast, and overnight oats are here to deliver. They provide the energy and nutrients you need to start your day right. So get creative, experiment with flavors, and discover your new favorite breakfast champion. The more you experiment, the more you'll enjoy the endless possibilities of overnight oats. Now let's talk about smoothie bowls. These aren't your average boring smoothies, no sir. These are vibrant, flavorful, and packed with nutrients to kickstart your day. Plus, they look as good as they taste, which is a bonus, right? Imagine starting your morning with a bowl that's not only delicious, but also a feast for the eyes. The base of any good smoothie bowl is frozen fruit. I'm talking berries, bananas, mangoes, pineapples, whatever you fancy. The options are endless and each brings its own unique flavor and nutritional benefits. Frozen fruit gives the smoothie that thick, creamy texture we're after. It's like having a healthy ice cream for breakfast. Next, you'll need some liquid. Again, you can use any type of milk you like, or even just water if you're watching your calorie intake. Almond milk, coconut milk, or even oat milk can add a different twist to your smoothie bowl. Now, here's where the magic happens. This is your chance to get creative and add some extra nutrition and flavor. You can add all sorts of goodies to your smoothie bowl to boost the flavor and nutritional value. Think about what you love and what your body needs. Spinach or kale for a dose of greens, avocado for healthy fats, chia seeds for fiber, protein powder for an extra protein punch, the list goes on. You can even add superfoods like spirulina or maca powder. Once you've got all your ingredients prepped, chuck them in a blender and blitz until smooth and creamy. The blending process is crucial to get that perfect consistency. If it's too thick, add a splash more liquid. Don't be afraid to experiment until you get it just right. Too thin? Throw in some more frozen fruit. It's all about finding that perfect balance. Now comes the fun part, the toppings. This is where you can really let your personality shine. This is where you can let your creativity run wild. Think of it as an art project you can eat. Fresh fruit, chopped nuts, seeds, granola, coconut flakes, a drizzle of honey or maple syrup. The possibilities are endless. Each topping adds its own unique flavor and texture. Smoothie bowls are all about creating a symphony of flavors and textures. Every bite should be a delightful experience. So, go on, get creative and make your taste buds sing. Enjoy the process and the delicious results. Listen, you don't need a culinary degree to make a decent breakfast. Take avocado toast, for example. It's simple, it's quick, and it's bloody delicious. Plus, it's packed with healthy fats, fiber, and nutrients to keep you feeling full and satisfied. You start with a good quality bread. I'm talking sourdough, whole wheat, rye, something with a bit of texture and flavor. Toast it to your liking. I prefer mine nice and crispy. While the bread is toasting, grab yourself a ripe avocado. You want it to be soft to the touch, but not too mushy. Scoop out the flesh and mash it up in a bowl with a fork. Add a squeeze of lemon juice, a pinch of salt and pepper, and maybe a sprinkle of chili flakes if you like a bit of heat. Now spread that creamy avocado goodness onto your toasted bread. And that's it. You've got yourself a delicious and nutritious breakfast in under 5 minutes. But hold on, we're not done yet. You can jazz up your avocado toast with all sorts of toppings. A fried egg for extra protein, some sliced tomatoes for freshness, crumbled feta cheese for a salty kick, or a sprinkle of everything bagel seasoning for a bit of crunch. Avocado toast is a blank canvas for your culinary creativity, so don't be afraid to experiment and find your new favorite combination. Now let's talk about Greek yogurt parfaits. These are a fantastic option for a quick and easy breakfast that's packed with protein, calcium, and probiotics. Plus, they're incredibly versatile and can be customized to your liking. The star of the show here is Greek yogurt. It's thicker and creamier than regular yogurt and has a higher protein content, which will keep you feeling full and satisfied until lunchtime. Start by layering a generous dollop of Greek yogurt at the bottom of a glass or jar. Then add a layer of fruit. Fresh berries, chopped bananas, sliced peaches, or a mixture of your favorites will work a treat. Next, sprinkle on a layer of granola for some crunch and added texture. You can use store-bought granola or make your own by mixing together rolled oats, nuts, seeds, and a drizzle of honey or maple syrup. Repeat the layers until your glass or jar is full, ending with a final flourish of fruit and a drizzle of honey or maple syrup if you like it a bit sweeter. Greek yogurt parfaits are a great option for meal prepping, as they'll keep well in the fridge for a couple of days. You can even assemble them the night before for a grab-and-go breakfast option. Listen up, you busy bees. If you're always on the go and need a quick, nutritious breakfast, I've got just the thing for you. These egg muffins are about to become your new best friend. They're not just any breakfast, they're a game changer. They're quick, they're easy, they're packed with protein, and you can make a big batch ahead of time for a grab-and-go breakfast all week long. Imagine waking up and having breakfast ready in seconds. First things first, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. This is crucial for getting that perfect bake. Then, grab a muffin tin and grease those little cups with butter or cooking spray. This step ensures that your muffins come out effortlessly. We don't want any sticking, do we? A well-greased tin makes all the difference. Now, for the egg mixture. This is where the magic begins. Crack your eggs into a bowl. I like to use a dozen eggs for a decent batch, and whisk them together with a fork. The more you whisk, the fluffier your muffins will be. Add a splash of milk or cream for extra richness, and season with salt, pepper, and any other herbs or spices you fancy. Think of it as customizing your own breakfast. Pour the egg mixture into the prepared muffin cups, filling each cup about 2/3 full. This leaves room for them to rise. Now, here's where you can get creative with the fillings. The possibilities are endless. Chopped vegetables like bell peppers, onions, spinach, or mushrooms are always a winner. They add color, flavor, and nutrients. Diced cooked bacon or sausage adds a meaty punch. It's perfect for those who love a hearty breakfast. Grated cheese, cheddar, mozzarella, feta, you name it, adds a lovely gooey texture. Cheese lovers, this one's for you. Once you've added your desired fillings, give each muffin cup a gentle stir to distribute everything evenly. This ensures every bite is packed with flavor. Then, pop the muffin tin into the preheated oven and bake for about 15-20 minutes, or until the egg muffins are puffed up and golden brown. The aroma will be irresistible. Let them cool in the muffin tin for a few minutes before transferring them to a wire rack to cool completely. This helps them set and makes them easier to handle. And there you have it, a batch of delicious protein-packed egg muffins ready to fuel your busy morning. Enjoy them fresh or store them for later. Either way, they're a perfect start to your day. There you have it, you lot. 5 quick, easy, and healthy breakfast recipes that will transform your mornings. From the creamy goodness of overnight oats to the vibrant flavors of smoothie bowls, the simple elegance of avocado toast, the layered deliciousness of Greek yogurt parfaits, and the grab-and-go convenience of egg muffins, there's a breakfast champion for everyone. So what are you waiting for? Ditch the cereal box and get creative in the kitchen. Try out these recipes and discover your new favorite way to start the day. And don't forget to share your culinary masterpieces with me. If you enjoyed these recipes, give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more delicious and easy recipes. And be sure to let me know in the comments below what your favorite breakfast recipes are. Until next time, happy cooking!